Hi, my name is Alan Tong. I'm the application engineer from NXP Semiconductors. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our USB Type-C end-to-end solution. NXP offers various solutions for NXP Type-C. From product point of view, we have our AC to DC chargers that covers the primary and secondary solutions. And also, we offer a complete Type-C solution for power, video, and data delivery over Type-C solution, either on the host product, such as your computing or tablet and phones. And also we have a docking solution that is can be used on a monitor, a smart monitor, or even a docking solution. Today, I'm going to show you some of our solutions here, and we'll also cover USB Type-C authentication over PD protocols as well. NXP offers a few USB Type-C charging solutions. Over here, we have a few chargers being displayed. The first one is a PD charger, which is capable of charging at different fixed voltages. And also we have two direct charging chargers. One is the VDM charger, and the other one is the PPS, or programmable power supply charger. And we're going to plug into the phone here and show you the different effects here. The first one we're going to show you is the PD charger. So when I plug this into the phone,
charger connected.
You'll see the chargers being connected. And from the phone here, you can see that it shows that this is a PD chargers being plugged in, and the V-bus is charging at 14.5 volts. And of course, for PD charger, you can select different power supply. From here, you can see that we can charge at 5 volt or at 14.5 volt here. The next charger here is a PPS charger, or programmable power supply charger. And when I plug it into the phone, you'll see that on the phone display here, it shows that there's a PPS charger being plugged in. And currently the V-bus the phone is being charged at 9.3 volt. To see the capability of the power supply, you can see that currently we're doing a fixed power supply charging, but also you can select different profile as well if needed. The next charger we have here is a VDM charger, and VDM stands for Vendor Defined Message. And I'm going to plug this into the phone.
Charger connected.
And the phone identifies that there's a VDM charger connected, and it is being charged at 9.3 volt. And what it does is here that there's a 2-to-1 conversion circuit on the phone that will convert the voltage from the charger to half of the voltage that will match the battery current battery voltage for faster charging. To see the capability of this charger, we can go to the menu and see the power supply. Currently, we're doing a fixed power supply and charging at 9.2 volt. And if you desire, you can actually change it manually. So you can disable this, and then we can enter a different voltage. Let's say, by default, we say 8.8 volt. And you can come back to the main menu here, and you can see that the V-bus is now being charged at 8.8 volt. And of course, usually you don't want to do that. You want to have the charger to detect your current battery voltage and match the battery voltage closely. And that's why we want to enable the auto control profile here for the charging purpose. So here we have a charger, a Type-C charger that's capable of performing authentication. And now I have the charger authentication enabled.
Charger connected.
So if you see on the screen here, we have an authenticated charger plug-in, and it will allow you to charge at higher voltage, which is now set at 15 volt. And if you look at, because the authentication is passing, you can actually select a different charging voltage if it is desired. So here we can do a 5 volt, a 9 volt, or a 15 volt, or even a 20 volt charging. So if I select a 9 volt charging here, you can see that the phone will ask the charger to change the charging voltage at a 9 volt instead of previously 15 volt. And or you can even do by default of 5 volt right here. So now it's charging at 5 volt. So what happens if you don't have a power supply that has authentication enabled? And so I'm going to disable this authentication on the power supply and plug into the phone.
Charger connected.
So here you'll see there's an authentication charger plug-in, but the authentication did not pass. So you'll see here the authentication failed basically. And what it does is that it basically will not allow you to charge at higher voltage. So by default, you can only charge at 5 volt. So if we go to the capability of this power supply, you see that you have a fixed power supply of 5 volt, 9 volt, or 15 volt. But if I select a different voltage, because the authentication is not passing, so you actually limit your charging capability to 5 volt only. So that's the another use case for authentication over a Type-C charger application. After authentication is passing, you have the video going through the monitor and being displayed. And so here I can show you that we'll play a short video clip here, and just to show you that the video from the phone is being displayed on the smart monitor. For more information about all NXP USB Type-C end-to-end solutions, please visit nxp.com/products/interfaces.